So I've been doing a lot of testing lately, and that requires keeping certain filaments bone dry to make sure the test results are as accurate as possible. So I want to show you what I did to keep my filaments dry for a minimal amount of money with the maximum amount of capacity. Let's take a look. So these are construction toads. They're meant for mixing concrete. They're about $8 a piece, and I got 2 of them to fit in a clamshell orientation. Let me show you what exactly they can fit. So we've got some ABS, some brass foam, some carbon fiber. This is some Filament nylon. This is just some PTG I want to revive. Ninja Flex chinchilla, like a wet spaghetti noodle. It's awesome stuff. This is Glow ABS. Now, if you don't keep this stuff dry, you're in trouble. This is PVA, support material. Some TPU, and here's some PTG. Now, I could have fit a lot more in there. Let's show what's in there to dry it. This is a standard food dehydrator. Depending on what you're drying, you're going to want to set it at different temperatures. But I don't set it very high. I set it about the mid-range, and I leave things for overnight. Now, this has made a big difference in my ability to print and keep filaments the way they need to be. It didn't cost me that much money, so I wanted to show you just how I did it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you want more cool little ideas like this or other options. But at the end, I just want to make sure you're getting the same satisfaction as I do from 3D printing. Thanks. Keep printing. Enjoy it. Have a great day.